So what's up guys, welcome to yet another makeup tutorial, and today we're gonna be doing things a little bit differently this time because basically I think it's about time that we start doing things a bit differently. The voiceovers gotta go, and except when they're really needed. When there's a little bit of distraction in the house, then only then will I be doing voiceovers. But now I'm gonna be trying to talk to you guys while doing my makeup regarding whatever, and we're just gonna keep it real. So today I'm gonna be basically doing this doing a makeup look, and you're gonna be doing it with me while we're gonna be watching one of my favorite reality TV shows. And currently I'm kind of like digging Love and Hip Hop Atlantis season 10. So we're gonna be watching Love and Hip Hop Atlantis season 10, episode 11, because that's where the drama has been, as well as episode 10. But I'm gonna be basically we're gonna be watching the 11th episode, and we're gonna be seeing what's happening, because there's some drama packing in there. And as you all know, I ain't got enough drama in my life, so how about we take a sneak peek into this celebs lives and see what it's all about. And let's just get to put our own opinion to it. And I mean, that's where the fun is at. So yeah, so let's get cracking. First, I'm gonna be doing this eye look, and then I'll come back and we're gonna be doing this eye together. I'm not quite sure how that's gonna go, watching Love and Hip Hop with all the drama that's in it, as well as doing my makeup at the same time, but we're gonna try and pull it off. So stay tuned for that. I'll be right back.
A few moments later. A few minutes later. A few inches later. 12 seconds later.
Things is not good in my relationship. I don't like the energy between us. I just feel like we're at that place. But he feels like I'm his woman and I should cover up a little bit.
And so this scene is the part where Spice basically is getting ready to go to New York, as you can see, to do her, to perform, to do her gigs, and to show up on Wendy Williams. So all of a sudden, the guy be tripping, and he's like, I don't even think they've been together that long. Well, according to what the show portrays, but it seems like the guy has been a bit controlling-ish, even though I believe he's one of the producers on the show, but he's being a little bit too clingy on her. And especially considering the fact that they've only been together for a while now, like, he be trying to tell her what to do, and she's not down for that. What do you guys think about that? Because I don't think he's not like married to her or anything, so he should not be having an input about what she does with her life, because the girl's gotta hustle for her kids. I mean, she's a foreigner in the land, and I think the guy shouldn't be trying to slow her roll. And if I was Spice, I would stand my ground. Just exactly what she did is exactly what I would do if I was in her situation. No man gonna be telling me what to do, especially if I ain't married to you. We got no, ain't nothing on there. Yeah, that is, if there's no ring, you have the right to do whatever you want to do. The relationship is not secure, so why all of a sudden he want to claim her and cling on her and slow her roll and slow her hustle? No, girl, just do you.
And then the way I perform, I dance with guys on stage. He's just a different man. He build different. So I'm not like them stuff there.
So what's she supposed to do? Stop doing music?
That was my point. Me and Justin, we started out in the pandemic, so he got a lot of the Grace side of me, and I think that's the person that he fell in love with. No, he's trying to change me, and I'm not kind of feeling that. You have Spice and Grace. You can't get one without the other. Justin and I, we had a huge argument, and I let myself in his house and realized him take down my picture. It's a slap in the face for me.
So it's day 5. I'm still here. Sad because it's lonely. The baby has been on and off of monitors. Everything is great with him, which is so happy, which I'm so happy about. Sorry. It makes being here a lot easier just knowing that he's okay. They're still trying to figure things out with me and my body and what's going on. It's safe to say, just dealing with so much. I've never thought I would see the day that I would be a married woman in the hospital by myself, going through, something like this, and not having someone by my side helping me through this.
Oh, my girl, Erica.
You probably do need.
She's in big trouble. I mean, Safari be acting a fool, really. I kind of feel for her, though. I really, really do. I mean, the previous seasons, she was young and dumb, but now she's a bit more mature since having a kid. And now considering the fact that she's got another baby on the way and Safari's been acting a bit fool-ish, if not childish, I don't know, y'all. If you were in Erica's situation, what would you really do? Because now it's like she doesn't want to get a divorce, but at the same time she's filing for a divorce because Safari doesn't seem to be serious or taking her serious, especially considering her condition currently, being pregnant and all, and she's just had almost a scare about losing her baby. I don't know, a premature labor type of situation, and Safari's nowhere to be seen. Like, is he serious? Like, really? Like, girl, I feel for you, but Safari needs a wake-up call. But what happens when you marry somebody who's a bit childish? Well, aren't all guys childish at some point? But that's not the point that I'm trying to make. What I'm trying to say is Safari is a bit too childish. But let's see what happens next.
Right now I'm feeling like I need space.
It's been a lot going on right now. I was in Miami because, these bills ain't gonna pay themselves. And then my wife filed for divorce. When I got back, I got a call from Scrappy. He's telling me my daughter's there. He's telling me Erica was having some early complications, that she went to the hospital.
So here he is walking up to his friend's house. But it seems like he's making all sort of excuses of why he wasn't there or why Erica is filing for a divorce, as if he doesn't know. I mean, what do you expect her to do? You on outside of the club doing whatever you're doing, and she's carrying your baby and you acting a fool. Instead of trying to make amends with her, you're out there. Did you expect her to call you and tell you, hey, I'm in labor, just so you can feel sorry for her? I don't think so. And considering her hormones right now, well, let's just see how it plays out.
I didn't even know none of this was going on until you called me.
She didn't text you, nothing?
Nah. Once you file for a divorce, there's really nothing else to talk about. Me and Erica, we're at the point where we're not speaking at all, so everything that's been going on, if it's not on social media...
Guys, let's be real. If you were in Safari and Erica's situation, seriously speaking, would you tell your boo that things are going wrong despite the way he's been acting? Would you be telling him that things are going wrong with the pregnancy? Would you alert him? Would you tell him? Really? Considering the fact that he showed you that he doesn't care anyway, would you still tell him? I don't know how I feel about this situation, but at the same time, I kind of feel a bit torn between Safari, except for his behavior. I'm just like, maybe Erica should have told him, but at the same time, I don't know what's happening behind the curtains, behind what we're being shown. So maybe she was within her right not to inform him because he seemed like he doesn't care anyway. And she just took the kid to Scrappy, his friend's house, and Bambi, her friend's house, to basically get some help because Safari doesn't seem like to be stepping up. I don't need to tell you that come take care of your kid. Like, you don't need to ask me for permission to come see your child. It's your child. Same. You're entitled to your child just as much as I am. Am I wrong, guys? What would you have done? So now I'm jumping onto the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and basically I'm gonna be going in with that black that we have right there at the bottom. That's what's next.
You watching Love and Hip Hop Atlanta? Check yourself.
Season 10.
You'll be watching us watch the show.
For the very first time. You'll be getting our natural and honest reactions.
We're watching it.
Chit. The scene you about to see right now is Mama D trying to tell me what's really going on in my life.
What your money got for you? My son Scrappy always wants me to cook for him because he's pretty much tired of tacos.
She did cook a couple things that I want. And that got me thinking, what this lady finna try to talk to me about?
I gotta tell you something else.
This whole face is like a plot and twist of a book and a movie at the same time. I can see it in my mama. I know her. Like, I be trying to tell her, I know you, my mama. Like, I know you come to visit.
There was a club night.
Into a fight.
So Sierra comes over. She said, Mama D, it was me, Erica Miller, and your daughter-in-law, Van.
So basically now I'm taking the concealer, the same shade that we used to prime our eyelids, and I'm basically gonna be cutting the crease with it. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So don't be wondering what she's up to. That's exactly what I'm doing, because I'm basically gonna be shaping how I need the eye to look, which is like this, wing down. Basically that's it.
I was telling you, but that's okay, because we're gonna learn at the end. And I'm doubling down when it comes to that. She's making moves behind your back. No. She's hired a lawyer. She's retained a lawyer. She coming.
All that what you saying? You sound like you don't know what's going on. I can't tell you. It's the drama.
So next I'll be going in with the Milani eyeshadow, and this one is the shade called Atlantis, which is like a lighter blue.
To be concrete, I need some paperwork. I need to be able to look online and see that it is what you're saying it is. Ain't no snitch. You can't say somebody snitch and all that, and this person got a lawyer and all that. I need to see proof. I need to see paperwork.
Hey, crying.
I know you my whole life.
I'm not crying.
Okay,
I'm just telling you, it's heartfelt. It's heartfelt. She out to get you.
You're tripping. You're bugging. Like, y'all be trying to make look bad. Everybody do. Everybody want their little story, want their little want they side in the conversation.
Shut it down.
I'm slick gone with all this stuff.
Yeah, that's me. That's how I go.
This bitch gonna try.
With this new set of lashes, and let's just see how they're gonna look. So now on the lower lash line, I'm going in with this Essence Electric Vibes eyeliner, and yeah.
Bam, had the butt in.
Hey.
Hey, what's up, man? Take off my shoes.
Sure, here.
You gotta take the shoes off at the house because you got babies in there, you know what I'm saying? Like, we ain't trying to get nobody, you know what I'm saying, sick, get no shoe print. You know, my babies be crawling.
Take a kid. I'll show you where to go.
Okay.
That was not shade. I'm just like, hey, you're here. Take a kid. You know what I'm saying? It's all hands on deck around here.
We all know that Safari does not like to take the kids. He didn't even plan for his second one to come.
Take a kid.
Take a kid.
It's your face. Yo, what's up, boy? Oh, snap.
I got a babies for you.
So I'm gonna be going in with LA Girl Primer Spray, and for the foundation I'm gonna be going in with the Huda Beauty foundation. I know I've been using this for a while now. Get used to it. It's summertime and I love it because it just looks flawless, effortless, and beautiful. And yeah, it just sits on the skin so well. So I'm gonna be using this for a while now. So until I find something good or better than this, I ain't gonna be switching anytime soon. But yeah, let's just see what happens next.
Man, you really gotta go check on Erica in the hospital.
But she's filing for divorce. That's a very drastic extreme than to now come and be over here.
But that's the thing, like, she's doing that because she's hurt. But if you can go put a Band-Aid on it for a little while and it'll help the baby come out great, it'll help her stay alive and come out great, then cool.
I mean, Scrap, you know, he made a couple good points, but he didn't really get to like.
So believe it or not, I don't feel like wearing any powder today, so it's not a must. So I'm not going to be putting any powder on my face, especially considering that the Huda Beauty foundation is matte. I don't see why I need to put powder on top of that. I ain't trying to do anything extra or dramatic. So I'm just going to jump straight into the blush, and I'm going to be using the LA Girl Velvet blush, and I believe this one is called Paint Me. It's a very beautiful soft pinkish blush, so that's what I'm gonna be wearing on the apples of my cheeks.
Oh, that's why I be, yeah. I don't even want you did.
It's gonna make her feel like you said, forget everything else that we got going on. I'm coming to check on my wife, period. Go see your wife. Like, what are you doing? Definitely acting like Kirk season 2 right here. Like, get it together, Safari.
Love it. Then just a little bit of highlighter, and we're gonna be going in with the Elf Healthy Glow bronzing powder, and this one is in a shade Sun-Kissed, and basically it has a little bit of gold to it, so we're gonna be using just a little bit of it on top of that blush, basically just to kind of like, you know, brighten things up a bit. And I'm just gonna be using the same brush I was using to blend out that what's called that blush, just a little bit, just like that. I don't know if you can see it, but that's about it. And then I'm just gonna apply it on the tip of my nose right there. Look at that, bam. And blend it out in my fingertip just like that. And my Cupid's bow right there. And then some lipstick. Here I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Lip Gloss, and that's all I'm going to be wearing today. No lip liner, no other lipstick. It's basically, I just want all the focus and attention to be on the eyes. And look at that little idiot right here, just hanging, doesn't want to stick, but I can fix it up later. So that's all I'm going to be doing for this look. And guys, that's basically it for this look. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I certainly hope that you enjoyed watching the Love and Hip Hop season 10 with me, and episode 11 to be specific. And if you did, and if you'd like to see me do more sort of like let's watch together type of videos, and please don't forget to hit me up and let me know in the comments section below. And of course, I'm gonna be trying to do things a little bit differently here and then. So, and also the shows that I'm gonna be sharing with you is only if there's a little bit of drama in it. But if there's not, I ain't gonna share it. But if there is, well, we'll see how that goes. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And until next time, bye bye.